I don't know if we'll get this in. The battery's not fully charged, but it's a Blue Ridge Sunset. I hope you're seeing some of that because it's awfully pretty. So terribly nice. That kind of thing. Grandma called me Chucky, so you can call me Chucky too. Also, as well. He's Andy Man. Here's one I wrote. It's called I'm a Little Confused. Telling the truth. I hear one thing in the morning, something else at noon. All that's wrong, I'm a little confused. Would you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Hey! Both sides are right from different points of view. I'm stuck here in the middle. What can I do? All bets are out, 'cause I'm a little confused. Just tell me what I'm supposed to do. Just tell me what I'm supposed to do. Hey! Can't say yes, and I won't say no. I don't want to stay here, but I got nowhere to go. All bets are out, I'm a little confused. Just tell me what I'm supposed to do. Just tell me what I'm supposed to do. Just tell me what I'm supposed to do. Well, we hope the battery hung in there because I kind of fell out a little bit. He's Andy Man. I'm Chucky. Chucky G. Grandma called me Chucky. Ooh, little bird went flying through. All right, hang in there, battery. Daddy loves you.